Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to set GPU preference in Windows 10. So without further ado, let's get right into it. To set your GPU preference in Windows 10, follow these steps. Press Windows key +I on your keyboard, or right-click on the Start button and select Settings. Click on System in the Settings menu. Select Display from the menu. Scroll down and click on Graphics Settings. Choose Add Desktop App and click Browse, or choose Add Microsoft Store App, and select one from the list and click Add. Go to the app, then click Options. Choose between Power Saving or High Performance. Save your changes. This will ensure that your chosen applications use the preferred option for better performance or power saving. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.